Hello! This is a guitar tutorial for The Walk by Mayer Hawthorne. There are two chords on the verse, two chords on the pre-chorus, and for the chorus, the same chords as the verse. The first chord is a G major 7. Third fret, 6th string. Mute the 5th string, and then the fourth on the fourth fret on the 4th string, the 3rd string on the 4th fret, and then the 2nd string on the 3rd fret, like this one. See? G major 7. That's the first chord for both the verse and the pre-chorus. The second chord is the A minor 7. 5th fret, 6th string. Mute the 5th string, and then it goes for all the 5th fret is the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd. A minor 7. Again, it's G major 7. A minor 7. So those are the two chords you need for the first verse, second, and the third verse. Now for the pre-chorus, it's slightly different. It's a B minor 7. So it's on the 7th fret, 6th string, mute the 5th string, and then 4th, 3rd, and 2nd, all on the 7th fret. That's the B minor 7. First chord. The second chord is the A minor 7. A minor 7. Now for the chorus, it goes back to the G major 7 and then an A minor 7, same as the verse. Again, for the verse and chorus, it's a G minor 7 and an A minor 7. For the pre-chorus, it's a B minor 7 on the 7th fret, and then the same form, just slide back to the 5th fret, A minor 7. There's a slight difference on the bridge, but I'll show that later on. It's more of a slide, same as the pre-chorus, but it slides through the A sharp minor 7. But I'll show that later. Now in terms of count, it's 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. So this is for the verse. For the pre-chorus, it's the B minor 7, A minor 7, B minor 7, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me show you. I'll start. Pissing me off. Oh, but your hair is so luxurious and lips are so soft. Any way you slice it up, you're doing me wrong. But I love the way you walk now. Your legs are so long. But your looks had me partying my head. So if you notice in the bridge, it's still the same as the pre-chorus, B minors. So from the B, so I just slide it from a B minor 7, A sharp minor 7, and an A minor 7. Tell me why you turn the blue skies cloudy gray. You know why can't keep repeating me this way. That's a D, and then you go for a D. Jerking me around, but go to the verse. Me shine, 'cause your shape was like an hourglass. Think the time's up. Now, the way I do the strumming, down, 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 down. I just put the bass on the 6th string. Now, this is applicable for the verse. Down, 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 down. Now in the pre-chorus, it's a little different. Down, 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 down. Putty in your hand now, but I do just as much as I can stand now. And then you go to the chorus. Knock your long legs, baby, I'm out of my life. Hold on, you did me wrong. Hold on, you did me wrong. And then to the bridge, tell me why. Down, down. Tell me why. So I will attach the chords at the bottom of this video, and you can review, and you can repeat the video all over again, and you will see that this is the same. The chord that I use is actually one full note lower than the original. So if you have a higher key, you can always just move all the chords higher, or you can move all the chords lower. So it's up to you. I just did that so that it's easier for me to sing and to show how it's done. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, till next time.